Canadian pharmacies are struggling with a shortage of over-the-counter children's fever and pain medication. Some hospitals are recommending prescriptions to ensure patients get them just in case. But as Chris Reyes explains, experts also say don't panic.
This is normally where we would keep our Tylenol suspensions.
At this Toronto pharmacy, Tylenol and Advil for kids are on back order. On Monday, the city's hospital for sick children said prescriptions for pain and flu medications might be necessary because of a nationwide shortage.
The shortage is not new. We have seen some rolling shortages since about the beginning of the year. So we did see a situation where the demand for these products did start to outstrip the production.
Health Canada says no prescription is needed for the over-the-counter drugs. Pharmacist Marcos Massé agrees, but says one may be needed for the generic version pharmacists can make on site.
In an emergency situation, something like Tylenol or acetaminophen can be prescribed as a suspension, which can be made by pharmacists behind the counter.
Ontario's health minister says the province is also monitoring the situation.
We are obviously monitoring very closely to make sure that there aren't shortages that are going to impact in a wider way across Ontario.
At this pharmacy, cold and flu medications for adults are still available, and some doctors say that's an option.
If your child is a bit older, there are also ones you can crush that would be chewable medication or even medication used for adults, depending on the weight and the size of your child.
Tylenol suspension is not a super difficult medication to manufacture.
Massé's prediction that he'll be able to order the kids' medication in a couple of months. Until then, his advice to parents, stop stockpiling them. Chris Reyes, CBC News, Toronto.